Okay, Solderweld's solution to heat resistance is hot block. Now this is one of the #1 putties on the market. It will stop up to 3,000 degrees in half an inch. Now I'm actually gonna demo this product, and it's very impressive when you're demoing the product to a technician out in the field, because they can see wrapping around a TXV, wrapping around a king valve, they can stop the transfer of heat, protect any heat sensitive parts, sensors, etc., or a line set perhaps. So what we're gonna do is, remember the hot block is 100% reusable. So doesn't matter how much you use, throw it back in the tub when you're done with it. So let's just for the sake, for a demo purpose, we're just gonna grab out a little bit and we'll put it on a stainless steel stick. And we're just gonna put just a little blob of it like this. Notice how I didn't put anything on the bottom. For the demo purpose, right, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna have Crash hold on to this for us real quick. And we're gonna heat up this end. Now, when we heat it up, you wanna make sure your flame is away from their hand, otherwise it will burn the flame will burn their hand. Put it at the end of the stainless steel stick. The hot block will absorb all of the heat. So you can get it really, really hot. Even with oxyacetylene, you can get it as hot as you want. We're over 1,500 degrees right now, steadily moving up over 2,000 degrees. And you can see, if he turns it, you can see how red hot that is. And the hot block is absorbing it all. Now hold that tight for me. Now you can watch, I can run my finger all the way up underneath the hot block and it's cold as ice right there. And you're done with it, right? Cool it off, dip it in the water, okay? Put it back in the tub. It's 100% reusable for life.